Hey guys, welcome to Half a Cup Tea Vlogs, and today we are exploring the flower market just beside the Balasan Bridge in Siliguri. So if you're coming from Siliguri, the fare is very minimum. It's around 20 rupees to 25 rupees if you're coming from Sevak Road. But if you're coming from Shiv Mandir, you can just take an auto or a bus and the fare is just around 10 rupees. Now these are all the ceramic pots and planters that you have here, and this particular frog that you can see here, it comes at around 300 bucks. That's what they told me, but you can definitely bargain with them. This particular owl that they have here, the cost is around 500 rupees, but if you are really very skilled at bargaining, then you can definitely bargain with them. Now these are all beautiful planters where you have different types of plants, may it be money plant and a lot of other creepers and climbers are here. Depends on your choice. Now while I asked them about the cost of these particular plants, they told me that the cost is around 260, but you can definitely bargain with them. And I bought one for around let's say 150 rupees, but that's not for me, that's for one of my friends, as she had asked me to bring one for her. As you can see, there are a lot of varieties at this particular place, and if you have really good bargaining skills, then you can definitely get them at a very much and affordable rates. Now you can look here, you have a lot of succulents that are present in here, right from the cactus to flaming katy, zebra plant, pig's ear, hens and chicks, sunburst, zebra plant, jade, agave, etc. Now when we come to this ceramic plant holders, they are in varieties and they look very awesome and very beautiful. Now they have different kind of varieties in here. As you can see, there are a lot of ceramic pots which have been designed in the form of a cup. Some have been designed in the form of an owl, some in the form of elephants, some in the form of Buddha and stuffs like that. Now all of these ceramic pots that you can see here are in different sizes, and their cost varies according to the size. Now this particular yellow colored ceramic pot that I'm holding, the cost of this particular ceramic pot is around 250 rupees. Likewise, the larger ones that you can see here, the cost is around 300, but you can definitely bargain with them. And the small Buddha heads that you can see here, the cost comes at around 250 rupees. Besides that, all of these smaller ones are all plastic pots that you can see here, and they generally charge around 60 rupees for each, but if you are really good at bargaining, then you can get them for around 40 rupees as well. But I definitely brought them for around 50 rupees, and I love this one because it's brown in color and the color varieties are just awesome. So I was looking for a white one, so I have ordered 6 pairs of them, and let's see whether she can bring it for me or not. Now these are all the lucky bamboos that you can see. Now this particular place is a heaven for all the planters, for all the people who love plants, and also for people who want to decorate their home with plants, because the ceramic pots that you can see here are an added advantage, as they look very lovely, as well as the different designs that they have in here tend to add more value to the plants that are present here. So it was finally time to say goodbye. So I did my part of my shopping here at the flower market, and I would love to show you what I bought. So here I have two planters that I bought there. Along with them, I bought these two threads or rope, as you may say, as I really wanted to do something creative with them. And along with that, I also bought this particular, let's say, I cannot say it to be a pot, but it's a place where I can, put some candles and just to give a different positive vibe or a positive aura. So you can definitely put candles inside them, or you can also put plants inside them. Everything depends on your choice. I also bought this money plant, which I found it to be quite interesting. As look at the leaves, it's not just green, but you have hints of yellow in them. And of course, I bought these 6 planters along with these two, the other two. Now this is how it looks like once you string it up, and of course the fairy lights. That's it for today, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.